Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your Fastag KYC online. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing to do is just to go to the portal of the Fastag, and basically in this video we will just run through this article so we can find out how or to learn how to do so. So as you can see, we need just to visit the official Fastag portal. You will need just to click on this link and make sure it is fastag.ihmcl.com, and from here you will need just to log in. And otherwise, if you don't have already an account or you don't have here, and just logging in. So basically you need just to put your number here and your OTP password, and if you don't have it you will need just to click on get OTP. And basically if you're not already registered, you will need just to go to the myfast tag application, and then you will be able to register from there, and then you will just log in here, and then it will take you to your portal. So basically now you will need just to go to my profile, and it will be on the corner there, and you will need just tab and click on the KYC tab and just search for it on the navbar, and then you will keep your vehicle registration certificates, driving license, address proof, and all your informations, and then you will follow its necessary information, and now you have done and you have finished updating or having your uh, Fastag KYC on the Fastag portal. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.